Dr. Russ Schroder. If you're watching this, then I can assume that you or someone you love has suffered from a stroke. A stroke is an injury to the brain due to blockage or excessive bleeding in the brain. A loved one of mine recently suffered a stroke and was taken to the hospital and then flown up to Riverside in Columbus. We fully credit them with saving his life. However, their solution to fixing him after the problem was basically cholesterol drugs, aspirin, and a stent in the brain. Now, we did not want to substitute these things for a proper lifestyle. We don't believe that giving the drugs and giving the surgery would correct the lifestyle that caused his problem, that led to the blockage in his brain. So we treated him after the fact for his stroke and got him back to full function. We used functional endocrinology and functional neurology to get the entire right side of his body functioning again so he could speak, walk, and talk, ride his bike, travel anywhere he wants to. There are specific techniques that we can use. Most rehab after a stroke is physical therapy based. Now, with that being the case, it mostly involves feedback from the body, okay? What the limbs do themselves. They work with the individual joints. Very little so far, at least in the field of occupational and physical therapy, is done to stimulate the brain itself. We can stimulate the brain using feed forward and efferent copy, the other two mechanisms of feedback from the brain down to the body and back. Now, there's different techniques that we use for this. Very simple and very easy to use, but very powerful. We've taken patients that had strokes over 5 years ago and helped them with their balance, helped them with their pain, and helped them with their movement on the entire side of their body. It's actually very rewarding to be able to help patients that have had strokes because it's very limiting what they can do in the rest of the medical field when it comes to treatment. So, if you would like to learn more about how we've successfully treated strokes, including members of my own family, that we could get back to better health and give them a rewarding quality of life, please read more about this information that's contained in this packet or on this website, watch the videos that are contained, and then call our office and find out if you qualify for one of the free consultations that we offer each month, 740-454-1747. That's 740-454-1747. Thank you.